Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix Windows Defender protection history empty still get notification program are being blocked. So I can fix this type of file. Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, the first method is first of all go to your file explorer and go to your these three dots and go to your options. After that, click on a view options and make sure that select the show hidden file and folders from device. Click on select apply and OK button. After doing this step, close it. Open a file explorer. Now firstly open this type of this command or go to this location C program file Microsoft / Windows Defender scan and history. So type it, paste and press enter. So simple you can go to your C drive, and after doing this that go to your program data, find out program data. After doing this that go to your Microsoft. Now here is a Microsoft, and after doing this that go to your Windows Defender. So find out a Windows Defender. Now here is open it, and after opening the Windows Defender go to your scan and history. Now here is a scans. Click yes to continue and close it. After that, go to your Windows Security. Open up Windows Security. Open up Virus and Threat Protections. Go to your manage settings. Turn on off real-time protection and drive protection and cloud deliver protections. Close it. Second that go to your PowerShell. Open up PowerShell, right click run as administrator, and after doing this that type this command. Type this command. Now press yes. Now after that type exit and restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.